All right, we have 3 chargers here we picked up from At Home for $2.99 a piece, and we are going to transform these into some darling decor. So keep watching. So we thought it would be darling to turn these chargers into little mirrors. So we picked up some round beveled mirrors from Hobby Lobby, and to hang the plates or the chargers on our wall, we picked up these, they're called invisible plate hangers. It's kind of a crazy little thing, but we're going to show you how to use it. So this will be on the back of the plate, and then it just hangs from that. The first thing we're going to do is clean the back of the chargers with a little bit of alcohol, just to make sure there's no sticky residue. I guess you could use Goo Gone if there is sticky residue, but
that would leave an oily mess though. So
well,
probably,
just to get the sticky away.
yeah,
And then you would want to do really big alcohol too. And that's funny that these are different on the back. Same store, same charger.
Oh, that one's going to make you work for it.
So once the alcohol is dried, we're going to put the invisible plate hangers on. Now, I have never used these before, but I've heard some really cool things about them. Directions say to wet this glue surface with your fingers, like you're finger painting, and really like rub it in so it activates the glue, and then you're supposed to let it sit for 3 to 7 minutes.
So I have used these before. I helped my sister do a plate wall in her dining room, and this is what we used, and it works great for even heavy plates and platters. It will hold them. They come in different sizes too, depending on the size of your plate or the weight of the plate. So it's getting sticky a little bit now.
A little bit.
Okay, so I'm just gonna work it in.
Maybe you should tell me if it's good, because I've never used it.
Well, and then you're supposed to let it sit. So, is it feeling tacky? It should start to feel tacky a little bit.
Not really.
Not yet? Okay. So we're going to do this for a minute or 2 until it gets tacky. So it takes a little bit of time before the glue really activates.
It says it'll turn into a paste. So far, I'm not seeing anything, so I don't know.
But it hasn't been 1 to 2 minutes yet.
I know. I gotta be patient.
So traditionally, when I've seen plates hung, they're hung with those little wiry things, wire holders that kind of cling around the front of the plate. Not a real big fan of that, though, so this will be totally invisible. It'll look like the plates are just floating on the wall. Is it starting to get tacky yet?
Negative.
Negative. Okay.
So, turns out that, here's number 1 that I tried. I actually rubbed off all the glue. I must finger paint really rough, so don't rub hard. You can see the difference here. This one.
Yeah, that one's got glue, see?
Yeah, so.
And it's very tacky.
So it sat for about 3 minutes, and then it says to wet it again.
And this time
And
you do
then-
it gently, just adding some water to loosen up the glue.
This is why we're doing a video for you, so you can learn from my mistakes. And then we're gonna let it sit for another about 3 minutes.
Yeah.
And it was pretty sticky. I went to just touch it to see if it was tacky, and it lifted right up.
Yeah, it's getting really sticky now. So now we're just gonna let it sit for 3 minutes.
All right, once it's sat for its second round of 3 minutes, you can see the glue there. It's kind of white and shiny. It just tells you to apply this to the back of your plate with some firm pressure, and then make sure that you rub it to get any air out. And you can see that glue squishing out.
Yeah.
And it is very sticky, so that's good.
This really does bond well. It works great.
And then it suggests drying overnight. So that is what we will do. Now we're going to use this Gorilla construction adhesive. It does say that it is safe for mirrors. It says to apply kind of liberally in a zigzag.
I got my fingers in the video, so sorry.
And my arm.
Trying to be out of the way, but get it.
And really, this mirror does not weigh a ton, so this is probably a lot of glue, but
Yeah, it won't come off.
I don't want it to come off, so we're good. Then it just says to press firmly. And I can't remember how long it said to dry.
Overnight.
Yeah. So then once it's all cured, we'll show you how we're going to hang these. So we ended up having to use that Gorilla Glue on both of these discs. We're not sure if it was my bad rubbing. See, remember, I rubbed the glue off on that first one. The second one, I thought I did okay, but it came off. So we're not sure if it didn't stick because it was plastic. We have used them on like normal ceramic dishes before and they've held fine. But this is still a good option for hanging it because you won't have anything showing on the wall but your plate. So we are just gonna hang it up now and it will be complete. They're adorable. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to our channel. We hope you like our DIY ideas, and we always love the cheap, inexpensive, but yet it looks high-end projects. So we hope you liked it too. Let us know in the comments below. Follow us on social media. All those links are below as well. And as always here at Sunnyside Design, we hope to bring your home to the sunny side of the street.